Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Them niggas get on y'all ass, y'all flip with me like gamblers. Tryna gossip on the blocks like y'all ain't said my name first. He a junkie, he ain't shot his gun, yeah, he playing perks. Shot a video and had a shootout in a safe.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? Man, I just want to start this video off by saying that I really appreciate y'all and I thank y'all for all the support on the last video. Y'all really went crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I literally gained over 80 subscribers on that video, and that video is almost at like 5,000 views, so I'm beyond grateful. And just thank y'all for that support and everything, because that's just crazy. I'm beyond thankful. But I just want to say, if y'all want any of my like car mods or anything, all my car mods and all my social media, I just put a link down below now. I just created it, so if anything y'all need like that, I just put it right now down below in the description. But yeah, regardless though, I'm really thankful and I appreciate y'all for everything. I'm gonna try to stay consistent now. That's something that I've struggled with, but I'm gonna try my best now to stay consistent. I'm gonna go ahead and do some pulls for y'all and drive. I got some little like back roads action, so it's good. It's the daytime and everything, so it's great. So yeah. I'm not like crazy familiar with these roads, so I'm not gonna like push it to an absolute crazy, but I am gonna like do the best for like the content though. But yeah. This is really my road. The fuck are you doing? that's some good ass backroads content, I'm not gonna lie. But damn, bro, we still got like a little while to go too. I wish these cars weren't here. I literally just went through here and there was not a single car here, bro. That's crazy. But, damn, man. Nah, that sucks. It could have got good ass like driving here. And like I could pass them here, but like I mean the road's about to end anyways. We're about to get off the little back roads. I might go to the other side though just to get more content. So I'm gonna try to see right now. See where they go. Hopefully they don't, none of them turn right. Everybody's turning left so far. Oh, I don't know if this truck is gonna keep it left, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, he actually might. But there's an SUV that went over there, so that sucks. Wait, does he turn too? No, right? No, he actually went straight. Find somewhere to turn here, I don't know, because I actually don't even know this road over here. I just know like it's a little back road kinda, so like I don't know. Here, I think I'll turn here. Wait, nah, turn at this one because I do not want to go up that like hill like that. man. But I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If y'all made it this far, man, I am about to cut the video off now. I'm about to head home. But I really appreciate y'all. Y'all let me know, like, if y'all want any type of new style or any new type of content, anything new. I'm just trying to get, like, create the best and get the most subscribers and create the best type of quality that I can. So y'all let me know anything, man. I'm open to hearing any suggestions or anything like that at all. So yeah, I just really want to push out the best content for y'all and whatever y'all like. So, but like I said, man, I appreciate y'all so much for that last video. I've got over 100 subs now, so I'm just super thankful, and I'm just really trying to work on my YouTube career and create something out of this. So thank you guys very much for everything. I also put my link tree in the description, so if you guys want any of my car mods or any of all my social media links, you can just go down there. I got my ambient lighting kit over there, here too. If you guys do live anywhere nearby or anything, I do install them. So if you guys anybody need help installing them or need any install, then I got y'all.